Hi, I'm Dr. Kaimal. I am the Medical Director of Sleep Disorder Center of Louisiana. I have been in practice here for 20 years. I am board certified in internal medicine, pulmonary medicine, and sleep medicine. What causes snoring? Well, snoring is caused by narrowing of the airway. Now, airway means the nasal passage and the throat. The nasal passage consists of two orifices which is lined with mucous membrane. This mucous membrane can swell, which causes obstruction of the nose, which is commonly called I have allergies. My nose is plugged up. That's the most common cause of snoring. And you will notice children who get cold, sore throat, and enlargement of the tonsils. The third cause of snoring is a large tongue. The tongue, when you sleep, has a tendency to fall backwards into the throat, reducing the size of the throat area. In addition, a long palate. Palate is the roof of the mouth, and if it is long, it can go touch the tongue. If that happens, snoring occurs. Those are the most common causes of snoring.